In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Typeform notifications in 2025, providing a step-by-step guide to ensure you stay updated whenever someone fills out your form. First, open your web browser and head over to Typeform's website. Once there, take a moment to log into your account using your credentials. This is an essential first step because it gives you access to all your forms and settings. Once you're logged in, select the specific form for which you'd like to receive notifications. Thoughtfully choose a form that you frequently monitor for submissions to ensure you don't miss any critical updates. With your form selected, look towards the top menu. It's time to locate the Connect tab. Clicking on this tab reveals a drop-down menu, and your next task is to select Notifications. At this point, we're going to toggle the email notifications option to on. By doing so, you're enabling Typeform to communicate with you directly via email every time a submission occurs. Now, let's go into more detail. To personalize your notification settings, you'll need to add the recipient email addresses. These are the addresses where you want the notification email sent. Be precise in entering them to ensure no typos prevent you from receiving the notifications. With the recipient's addresses set, let's move on to customizing the email subject lines and messages. This personalization is your chance to make the notifications informative and helpful. Craft a subject line that makes it instantly recognizable, and in the message body, perhaps include relevant information or instructions regarding the next steps required after receiving a submission. Now that we've covered those basic settings, it's essential to save your progress. Look for the Save Settings button and give it a click to lock in all your customization. This ensures all the changes you've made aren't lost. Finally, it's time for a crucial test. To make sure everything operates smoothly, submit a test entry through your form. This practical step will verify that your email notifications are working correctly and that any webhooks you've set up are triggered as intended. If everything's set up properly, you should receive a notification email or your webhook will trigger, confirming that your setup was successful. Through this process, you'll be continuously informed, whether you're on the go or at your desk. By following these steps, you now have a seamless way to stay on top of your Typeform responses, ensuring that you're never out of the loop. This efficient system of notifications means that timely reactions and follow-ups can become a consistent part of your process, adding to the responsiveness of your workflow. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has empowered you to make the most out of Typeform's notification features.